That's so cute. I know, are they real? I don't even...
Look at the cute little pumpkins!
What are you doing?
Do you see how big your mouth is?
Look at him. That's all I got.
Get your baby. Go get your baby.
I want the baby. I want to feed it.
Oh, Salvi.
Come here.
Can we not give her one? I don't have any more.
I want to get other ones. Look at the baby over there. Oh my God.
Was that good? Was that good?
Yeah, come here.
Was that good? I don't have any more. It's for the goats. What are you doing? It's okay, babies. It's okay. I don't have any more. Here, Micah.
So we're sliding.
We're not taking a photo. We're taking a video. We're gonna need video footage at every sign. Oh, okay. This one. These. They have cute ones all over the place.
This one's clearly a cow.
Oh my God.
It's just a video.
See that face?
I don't think the horses are out. Do you see them, Micah?
Looks like they're...
Aren't they, Micah's not? Oh, put y'all's heads through here.
Yeah.
Get in the truck.
Oh my God, this is a fun pup. But let me see what's going on in the
I'll
front.
get a video.
Stunning. Stunning. Stun. Cute. Opened up more.
Because then you get chiggers.
Yeah. That's why I didn't want to walk through the fucking valley. That White House back there is really pretty. Oh, they added a new swing.
Oh, now we're going to stop.
Micah and I used to get on the swing.
The tilted eyes.
Their peripheral vision is.
They can see a lot. I didn't want them to.
She didn't want them to.
They did it.
Now their horns are going to get stuck.
Good luck. Back it up.
Oh, don't take it. Okay. You took it.
You ain't gonna get it.
You took it. Let me take that from you. Let me just. Okay, yeah. You've taken it all now. There's nothing in there. It's empty.
They're so cute.
There you go.
They're so fat too.
Yeah, now you're
got no
good and
trouble.
stuck. I'm gonna have to shove your head through.
There you go. Go back, Rosa. Come over here. All right.
Look at his little toes.
You sit on a bale of hay.
Look at those sheep. Oh, we should have saved some for the fucking
No
sheep.
horses over here today.
Here we go. Good luck.
Yeah,
One,
if this thing goes down,
They'll actually go 1,000 pounds each.
There's more pumpkins.
I know, the sheep. Those are sheep.
what the hell are those?
Goats.
How do you tell the difference? Those are literally the same.
Those are clearly sheep.
I lost my bank card
Oh shit.
and I called yesterday and they were like, oh yeah, your account was closed yesterday. The day before yesterday. And I was like, what do you mean it was closed? I said, I didn't close. I just found out I don't have my card. And he's like, oh, I don't really know. He's I was like, well, did somebody? I was like, can you at least tell me if you mailed out a card to somebody? Like, so he's looking, trying to find all the thing, a good Samaritan found a card. have a stack. We have a stack.
No, out of all the things I've lost in life, card hasn't been one of them.
I know, that was my first time.
The ponytail and then a clip.
And then a headband.
Oh my god, his dinosaur socks. Stop it right now.
His little chinos. What do they call those shorts?
Yeah.
Bermudas.
How do you get on these?
I'm not doing it. I'm playing it like this.
Like that? Yeah, there you go.
Get on it?
I don't know.
Just accept where you're at. Okay, I don't need to go to the hospital because my grandma broke her neck. Get on
Oh,
the tractor.
God. Get on up there.
Wait.
Yeah.
Get on. Yeah, there you go. Wow.
Who's this? Look at Giovanni. Gotta go. The feet Hold on.
It's like you're walking.
And then
Yeah, this gotta come off. Let me start over and check my surroundings.
her vertigo's kicking in.
Okay, let me. Oh my God. Show.
And then there. There's dirty ass feet up in there. You walk with it.
Where's the end?
Keep going.
Keep going. I want to see what happens when you get to the end.
Nothing.
Okay, the key is to not. Oh, yeah, no, forward. Back to back. Go. No, stand up. No, this is it. Get up. It's a walk. You gotta stand. You gotta go. The feet gotta. The hands gotta. And then the. I just gotta fall. Just start over and check. Her vertigo's kicking in. She's hot. Yeah, there you go. There, keep going. Keep. Cut. Inertia. Yeah, keep the feet going. Don't get lower. Oh, God. It's dirty.
Vertigo. It's the vertigo. I knew it was coming.
It's dirty.
Yeah, it is so dirty.
All dirty.
You're not gonna be able to get in my car.
Look.
All their shoes are in there.
Well, that was fun while it lasted. So it's the vertigo. That was fun. You should do it, Mike.
I've never seen a
Remember, Micah?
office. Very smart.
Nectarines.
They're in the peach family.
That was fun.
This is where I want my fingers. I wish they were in the shade.
That's so cute. Oh, I want to see the horsies. Well. What do we have here? Your boyfriend's back and he's gonna get in trouble. Look, he changed his shirt for you. No. Y'all are in a breakup?
They just shake like that to get the flies off.
Oh. Your hair's all matted. What are you doing? What are those little sores? Like right there in his back? Is that good? Yeah? Is that good?